Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Parsec Error 6023 with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart Parsec. Right-click on the Parsec icon in your system tray, choose Quit Parsec, and then reopen it. Sometimes, that alone fixes the issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're using a stable and fast connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. And don't forget to restart your router just to be safe. Step 3. Update Parsec to the latest version. Visit parsec.app and download the most recent version available. Install it and restart your computer afterward. Step 4. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus. Some security programs may block Parsec's connection. Turn them off just for a moment, then try connecting again through Parsec. Don't forget to turn your protection back on after testing. Step 5. Open UDP port 8000. You'll need to log into your router settings and manually forward UDP port 8000. After saving the changes, restart your router. And Step 6. Reinstall Parsec. Uninstall the app through your control panel, download the latest installer from the official Parsec website, and install it again from scratch. That's it. Try these steps one by one, and your error should be resolved. If this helped, leave a like and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.